What's going on, everyone? It's been a while since I've done a new video for you guys. This is going to be my part 2 of my fall recovery program. You'll see I have a wide array of products here, and if you guys remember from several weeks ago, I mentioned I was doing a giveaway, so make sure you enter that before the end of this week when I do my live stream giveaway. These are some of the products that you'll be seeing for my giveaway. Specifically the Simple Lawn Solutions and the Andersons products right here. They've been very gracious to participate in the giveaway for you guys. They did give me a few products to test out for myself, however, so I have been meaning to get down some micronutrients and loosen my soil a little bit and do some aeration. Mechanical aeration is always the best bet, but I wanted to try to supplement with this liquid soil loosener. So I've got this product to try. I've got this micronutrient booster, which I'm going to be applying at the same time as this root hume. You guys have seen me big on humic acid this year. I've been applying it in high doses. The stuff that I ordered from Amazon last year that I mixed up in this jug right here. Now, that is the powder that I got. Supposedly, this is derived from leonardite, which is a little bit more concentrated compared to the powder that I've got. The Andersons Humic DG also has a little bit of humic acid in it as well, derived from leonardite, which is supposedly the most concentrated form of humic acid that you can find. Now, just as a little bit of an update, I have been applying my Greenway Biotech Solutions products, spoon feeding bi-weekly. I've been applying 2100 straight nitrogen mixed with a little bit of iron across the entire lawn, just as a foliar application going into fall. So from a couple of angles, you should be able to see a clear deviation running to the street, so that back half is going to be no further products other than my straight 2100. And then each individual product that I'll be testing is going to go along this strip here in the front. Pretty much the money shot right in the front of the house. Which, by the way, is looking awesome, I think. Did some diagonal stripes with the reel mower the other day. It is October 5th. We're getting pretty well into fall here in southeastern Wisconsin. But the color is looking good. I definitely need more iron and more micronutrients. You can still see I've got a little bit of patchiness going on here with the color. The bluegrass is really dark over here and in the front, but in the middle I've got like some lime green stuff going on, and the texture of the grass is a little bit different. Let's get up close and you can kind of see what we're working with here. I don't know what I've got. This might be a mixture of bent grass and ryegrass or something, or Poa annua. I'm not even really sure, even though I sprayed my pre-emergent. It's looking pretty good, really thickened up since the spring. If you guys go back to my previous videos in like April and May, this is just so thick. I had a hard time cutting this with a manual reel mower. I definitely think I see a powered gas reel mower in my future at some point if I'm going to keep up with this mowing height. But this is 1 inch. I just mowed yesterday. You can see things are progressing along nicely this year. It's about 14 months since I did my full renovation. It was last August when I really beat up the lawn, so it's really come a long way. Anyway, enough of me talking. We'll get right into the products that we're going to be using. I'm going to apply some of these products first. Now, I've got too much stuff here just to apply all in one go, so I'll probably make this stuff for a future video, probably next week. What I like about the Andersons products is that it's got a lot of really detailed information on the analysis of the stuff, as well as the spreader settings. So my Scott's Edge Guard Mini, it tells you the settings here, 4.5 at 3 miles per hour. That's really cool. It tells you how fast to walk with this stuff, so you don't mess it up. Lots of micros in it. It's got some humic acid, which is good. It's got 9% urea nitrogen, which is a quick release, so that's going to be good for going into fall. We're going to put that down probably next week, mid-October. But today, I think I'm going to be choosing the Micro Booster. This will probably go down probably this weekend. The Micro Booster goes down 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. It tells you how to apply with a hose and sprayer as well as a pump-up sprayer. We're going to put it in the pump. We're going to put 16 ounces in mixed with 4 gallons of water, so that's going to be half the bottle. Here's all the micros that are in here. Magnesium, zinc, iron, manganese, sulfur. So it's got lots of good stuff that's going to be beneficial to your lawn. I get a lot of the macros from this, nitrogen and potassium, but I haven't really applied micros in my lawn, so I'm going to go with this today. I think the weather is still favorable to get that in the lawn yet. It tells you when to apply it. Don't apply between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. It's the afternoon. That's mostly just to avoid burn. Doesn't look like we have to water this in, so I'll go ahead and spray it, and maybe we'll wait till tomorrow to run the sprinklers. Really thick, look at that. Woo! It's black like tar, sort of like Humic, for that matter. I filled up the jug 2/3 of the way, the sprayer. Poured in the contents. We're going to top the rest with water. I would be doing this at the hose, but I figured it's quieter in the garage for you guys. We are right under 4 gallons. That's perfect. That's it. That's about 2,500 square feet or so. I applied half of this, so maybe we'll wait and do a second application in 2 weeks, or we'll do the rest of the lawn. But I'm not going to do anything else until we wait for results on this half of the lawn. You could see in my time lapse that I pretty much stopped right at the corner there, so that's where we're going to determine how to see what the lawn looks like. So if you guys found this video interesting, got any comments, questions, leave them below. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'd really appreciate it. We're going to see a lot more products coming up in the future here. And make sure you subscribe to see an update on this video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Look at all these ladybugs. It's the Ladybug Migration right now. They're hitting me in the face.